I found a niche that can make thousands. People love stories and horror stories have a craze. We'll create them in English targeting Western audiences, and you can make them longer, even 1 or 2 hours long video. That will multiply your ad revenue. I'll tell you everything in detail and step by step, but there is one major problem on YouTube, which is completing first 1,000 subscribers and 4,000's watch time. While completing 4,000's watch time, it will take months and hundreds of thousands of views. And all those views will not give you a single penny. I have a solution. You can get pre-monetized YouTube accounts. These accounts are organically monetized and have Western audience. If you get it, you can start making money from your first view. The link is given in the description. Let's get started. For this process, we need a story, prompts for image generation, image generator, video generator, voice generator, background music generator, and video editing. For story, most people use ChatGPT, but I prefer human-written stories than those AI-generated stories. Open any browser, search for horror stories in English, open this website, here you will find a lot of different stories. Open any story, I chose the Shaking Up. Select the story, and copy it. Now open ChatGPT, and paste the story. Ask ChatGPT to separate all the parts of the story, any part should not be longer than 4 seconds. Now all the parts are separated. Then ask ChatGPT to convert each part into detailed prompt for AI image generation. Now we have the prompt for each scene. ChatGPT can directly generate images of each scene. Simply ask it to generate that image, and mention the ratio of the image, 16:9 if for YouTube. But ChatGPT only allows 3 images per day for free users. For more we need to buy its subscription. Don't worry, I have another alternative. Go to Leonardo AI, it's a powerful image generator. Click on Image Creation, at the left side go to Presence, and choose Leonardo Lightning. In the present style, choose Cinematic. Contrast Medium. At Image Dimensions, choose 16:9 for YouTube. Now copy-paste the prompt, and hit Generate to get the first image. If you like the first image, click on 3 dots, and copy seed. Then go to Advanced Settings, and paste the seed. In this way, the next images will have the same style. Generate the next image, as you can see the style is the same. In these ways, generate all the images. But I prefer ChatGPT's images, they are more perfect than Leonardo's image. But its limit is reached. Don't worry, I have a solution to it. Open the conversation, as you can see we have reached the limit. At the top left side, click on Share, and copy the conversation link. Open a new Chrome profile with a new account, open ChatGPT. Make sure it is logged in with a new account. Now open a new tab, and paste the conversation link. The conversation is started from where you left, but in the new account. Now generate the next images. It will allow you to generate 3 more images with this new account. When its limit also exceeds, copy that conversation link, and open a new tab and do the same. With multiple accounts you can create a lot of images. Now a list of images is created. Download the images one by one, it will maintain the sort. If you are using the images directly, you need to upscale the images. Now we have all the images, we need to upscale the images. For that I've installed Wondershare Uni Converter. It is all-in-one AI tools, offering almost all necessary tools. Go to the image section, and here's Image Enhancer. Select Image Upscaler, in Upscaler setting, choose 4x. Now upload the image, and hit Export. The image is upscaled, and it's pretty awesome. It can restore old photos, old photo colorizer, color correction, face enhancer, and auto enhancer. It has more tools like watermark remover, image converter, background remover, and thumbnail maker. We'll use it later. For video generation, go to Luma's Dream Machine. Click on this small image button, upload the image, and hit Generate. The video is generated but has 2 main problems. Its quality is very low, and it has Luma's logo. For that, open Uni Converter, click on Video Enhancer, upload the video, and hit Export. The video is upscaled. You can see the before and after. To remove the logo, go to Video, and click on Watermark Remover. Upload the video, select the area of the watermark, and hit Export. The watermark is completely vanished like magic. For voiceover, open Uni Converter, go to the audio section, select text to speech. Here select an audio type, then choose a voice, go back and copy the story. Paste the story, and hit generate.
On a night, one young man was walking on the desolate road to goes to another village.
If you like it, then export it. Otherwise, you can use another voice to generate the voiceover.
On a night, one young man was walking on the desolate road to goes to another village. Hearing a shout from behind, his feet stop.
For music, you can use YouTube's audio library, but finding exact music is impossible. That's why I prefer to generate it using AI. Open ChatGPT and ask him which type of music is best for this horror story. Copy that from ChatGPT. Now open Pop AI website, here enter the music type and hit generate. Now everything is ready. We need to combine everything using a video editor. For that I am using CapCut. Import all the motion videos, click on sort, and select time created. Now videos are in the sequence, select all, and import them to the timeline. Add the voiceover file. Adjust the videos according to the audio.
Hearing a shout from behind, his feet stop.
Then add music to the timeline, and reduce volume to the -5 dB. Then click on Captions, and hit Generate. Basic captions are generated. Go to Templates, and select a good template. Move captions to the center. The video is ready. Click on Export, select frame rate 60 frames per second, and export it.
On a night, one young man was walking on the desolate road to goes to another village. Hearing a shout from behind, his feet stop. My child, listen. Just go ahead carefully. When the young man turning, he saw an old man. In confusion, young man asked, "But why?" The old man replied, "You don't know. Years ago on this road, some youths murdered one trade passer, named Jivan Lal." Hearing this, the young man asked in surprise, "Killed a trade passer? But why?" The old man said, "For robbery. They buried his dead body under that tree." The leaves of the tree shake from the breeze. On hearing the old man, the young man thankfully said, "Oh, thank you for alerting me to the robbers." The old man said, "Not from the robbers." The young man asked with surprise, "So?" The leaves shake up again. The old man said very slowly, "From the soul of Jivan Lal."